guys, how's it going? Welcome back to J-Skate Magic. Tonight I'm going to show you guys another simple trick. I'll do a performance first, and then as always I'll go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So for this trick we can go ahead and give it cards. I'll shuffle, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a prediction. So I'm going to go through the cards and make a prediction. Alright, so I think I have my prediction. So now what I'll do is we'll take some cards, maybe less than half, and we'll place these cards right here, and I'll go ahead and spread some cards. So we'll spread some cards like that, and now we can ask the spectator to go ahead and pick three random cards. This one, okay, pick another one, that one. Alright, and then one more, and say they pick those right there. So now what I'll do is I'll take the cards, take the rest of these cards and place them back on the deck. And now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and flip them over. So we got the Jack of Hearts, we got the Queen of Spades, and we got the Five of Diamonds. Alright, so now I'm going to make a prediction now. I'm going to try to get a sense of the prediction, and now I have a piece of paper right here, and also I have a card box. I'll go ahead and make a prediction, and I'm going to go ahead and place it right into the card box. So let's see here. Let's see, I'll try to get a sense here. So now what I'll do is I'll take the prediction and I'll fold it up. We can get rid of the marker. And now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take the piece of paper and I'll go ahead and place it right inside the card case. So I have no way of switching it out or anything like that. So now what we'll do is we'll take it and place it right here. And now let's try something. So what we're going to try to do is try to make these values 10, or make them add up to 10. So 10s, jacks, queens, and kings are worth 10, and other ones are just, you have to make 10. So we got 10, we got jack, and a 5. So that means we have to go make it 10. So we go 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we can go ahead and place it on top. So now let's try something. Now we're going to add them up. So we have 10, 20, and 25. So that means we're going to have to deal down 25 cards. So let's try this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Alright, so let's see if the next card I turn over is the prediction. So let's try it. We got the 8 of clubs. So that was the card we landed on. And inside the card case, I put it in here. Let's look at the prediction. And it does in fact read the 8 of clubs. Alright guys, that's performance. Now here's the tutorial. So basically this is a really good math trick. It's basically a beginner prediction math trick. So basically all you need is a deck of cards, and basically you're going to need some paper for a prediction. So go ahead and tear this paper off, and you're going to need a Sharpie marker, and you don't need a card case or a card box, but I think it's a little bit stronger if you use a card case or card box. So basically you set these off to the side, and basically you can set this off to the side too, or keep it right here, and basically you're ready to go. So you say that we'll go ahead and give the cards a shuffle. All you do is riffle shuffle. And now basically what you're doing is, as you go through, you're making a secret prediction, and the spectator doesn't know this at all. But basically what you're doing is you're memorizing the 34th card in the deck. So out of a deck of 52 cards, you're memorizing the 34th card. So watch. So I say I'm going to go ahead and make a prediction. So you go 1, 2, but you're counting, but you don't want to count. You want to count in your head. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So the Queen of Diamonds is the 34th position, and that's the card I'm going to memorize. But you want to keep going, so you don't want to stop there. But from now on, you're just memorizing Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Diamonds. So you don't want to forget that card. So then you keep going through, and then basically what you do is you go ahead and flip the cards over. And now basically the way it works is if you want to take out a portion of the deck if it's less than half. So you say, we'll go ahead and take some cards, say less than half, and basically all you do, you just try to make sure you get less than half of the cards. So basically what you do is you say, we'll go ahead and take this patch, set it right here, and now basically what you're going to do is spread out these cards. And basically you ask them to pick any 3 cards you want. So say they pick this card right here, and then another card, it can be their choice, second card, and then the third card. And then you say, we'll go ahead and place the rest of these cards back on top of the deck. And it doesn't matter the order on that, but this is the secret right here. So you say, we'll go ahead and flip them over. So we got a 5 of diamonds, we got a Jack of spades, and we got an Ace of clubs. So basically right now, this is where you can say, I'm going to go ahead and make a prediction. And that's all I'm memorizing is the Queen of Diamonds. So basically all you do is, on a piece of paper you write Queen of Diamonds, so you can just go Queen of Diamonds, or you can draw a little symbol and color it in. And you don't need a card case, but you say, we'll go ahead and take the piece of paper, fold it up, and we'll go ahead and place it in the card case. I think it's a little stronger if you place it in a card case, so you have no way of switching it or doing anything. So you say, we'll go ahead and close that up, and we'll set it aside. And now this is the secret to the trick. We have to make sure that these values add up to 10. So basically, we got 5, so that means we have to make it 10. So we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then we go and place the 5 on back on top of those cards. We don't have to do anything with picture cards because they're already 10. And then with the ace, we have to go 9. We have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Place them on top. And so now basically we have these cards, and we're going to add them up now. So we got 5, 10, which is 15, and an ace, which is 16. So now we're going to count 16 cards. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you deal 16 cards, and the next card we flip over should be the prediction. So basically you can do however you want. You say, we'll go ahead and flip the card over, and you can see it's the Queen of Diamonds. And then you can say, and the funny thing is if we open the card case, I made a prediction, and it reads the Queen of Diamonds. So guys, that's the performance tutorial to this pretty cool trick. Like I said, it's a pretty cool beginner math prediction trick, and it should get really good reactions. And this has been an episode of JSteam Magic. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, more videos are on the way. So until next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.